Higher Value International School. Mula sa araw na to, dito na ako mag-aaral.
No! No, never!
Kaya mo yan, JJ. Kaya mo yan.
Wow, may escalator. Mall yarn.
Hey!
Sorry po. Sorry. Excuse me. Ito ba yung 503? Nasira lang yung 3, no? Dito ba yung section E?
Not here. Go back to the main building.
Sabi kasi nung...
Are you deaf? Leave!
Kasigaw naman to. Sungal na rin ko yung lollipop na yan sa'yo eh.
A few moments later.
Hi! I'm Rocky. I'm the class president.
Hello po, JJ po.
Huwag ka na magkaedad lang tayo.
Sorry po. Sorry.
JJ, mali ka nang napasukan. This is section C. See? Section C.
Pesteng ulo pong nilikaw ako.
Guys,
Wala ka bang question sa bagong transferee natin?
Are you still a virgin?
He plays in different parts of the world. And then he said to them, "You must speak." Immediately,